Hello everyone, my name is Queen Imara Kaheru, Little Miss Wildlife. Please join us to do the Uganda Wildlife Marathon on Sunday, 2nd March 2025 in Lira. We are running to educate the children of the fallen rangers. Thank you. Can't wait to see you there.
Come join us for the Uganda Wildlife Marathon 2025 edition as we run to educate children of fallen rangers in 42, 21, 10 and 5 kilometers. The Uganda Wildlife Marathon will take place on Sunday 2nd March 2025 at 6:30 a.m. at Kibua Stadium in Lira City. Tickets go for 1 million corporate, individuals 20,000 shillings and individual students go for 15,000 shillings. The chief runner will be the Honorable Minister of Tourism alongside gold medalists of Jacob Kiplimo and Halima Nakai. Register now in Kampala and Lira City at Uganda Wildlife Authority, Association of Uganda Tour Operators, Wildlife Clubs of Uganda and Ministry of Tourism, brought to you and sponsored by the Uganda Wildlife Authority and the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities.